Hi, this is Don with Cowboy Biker Adventures. For you today, I have North LLano River RV Park, located right on the North LLano River. It is right off of I-10, but far enough off you don't hear any of the highway noise. It's in Junction, Texas, and it's a great place to stop heading east or west, and especially west before you have hundreds and hundreds of miles of desert. The reason why I suggest you stay here is all the amenities and the convenience of it. It has 57 total RV sites that are up to 65 foot long. They all have 30-50 amps. Some are pull-throughs and some are back ends. They all have sewer and water and free high-speed Wi-Fi. 24-hour showers, restrooms, and laundry. They also have a swimming pool and a community fire pit. They all have a patio with a picnic table, and most have a barbecue pit, and the picnic table is covered. They also have fenced-in dog park and a clubhouse. They also have 1,000 foot of private river access to the LLano River. You can also get your propane refilled here, and there's plenty of gas stations in the area. Also, I need to mention they have some playground equipment you don't see other places anymore, including a merry-go-round. I just think it's neat because it's up against the LLano River. So when you come to visit, be sure to say hi to Russ, the manager. They're very nice and very helpful. I think you will enjoy your stay here. Oh, P.S. It is a Passport America park and only $35, so a good deal besides.
You set the fire and tone to your promised land. You've got a whole religion in the palm of your hand. It's like the world turned its back on us, and now you can't tell if it's heaven or hell. It's like knowing all the answers. Oh, you're sorry, but you never can tell.
All the lovers, we were diving far too deep. Different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hoping we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep. Different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hoping we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well.
I got you buried deep,
In the back of my head,
'cause you got all the answers.
on the tip of my tongue,
You got a whole religion
in the palm of my hand.
if you want it bad.
Better listen now.
Oh, stick around to after the credits for bonus pictures. If you like the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you want to see adventure videos at least once a week, be sure to subscribe. So until next time, have a good one.